Hello everyone! Welcome to another episode of Paminaw Te. Actually, I'm very tired of being pagod. Di ba may meme na ganon? I'm so tired because I realized that I keep saying yes to everything, that I fail to say yes to what I really want, yung personal sa akin, not what I need to do for others. Isip ko lang, the topic that I'll discuss now is just start. I know many of you have a lot of things on your plate, pero at the same time, at the back of your mind, madami din kayong gustong gawin na very personal to you, pero hindi nyo nagagawa. Kasi nga, focus kayo on doing things that is not personal to you. Balik ka lang doon sa question na, ano ba talaga ang gusto mo? If you're able to figure out what you really want, you just have to start it. So ito, this YouTube channel is something that I also wanted to start, but I have been procrastinating, I have been delaying, kasi nga, I always tell myself I have too much on my plate. Well, in fact, you just have to start, sit down and, set up this recording and just blab. I started this community, Paminaw Te, so that we can talk to each other virtually, then we can back each other up. So just start, ano ba? Ano bang thoughts ko? Because of the concept, just start, there's this one idea that I really like to start, that a community about books, and I call it book club. We started it virtually kasi nga I want to reach a lot of people, not just face to face. So I started this initiative by sharing this idea to some of my friends and they liked it. And because they liked the idea, we started having Zoom book club community. And dahil dito sa passion project na to about book club, sharing like books that we like to read and encouraging people to read. So because of book club, madaming natulungan yung community kasi meron dong lungkot sa love life, tapos kahanap siya ng community na hindi lang naman pala yung love necessarily galing lang siya sa opposite sex. Love can also come from love from families, friends, and communities like our book club family. Meron din isang kakilala namin, because of book club, she stopped attending or joining paid seminars kasi dito na lang daw siya sa book club kasi libre pa, tapos meron pa siyang community na nabuo. Ang maganda din dito kasi most of the attendees also are OFWs. So ito yung maganda when you just start. You don't know that that small spark of idea will lead to something bigger and greater. Kasi nga, as I've mentioned, we started book club locally. Now it grew internationally already and it already helped a lot of friends and families and a lot of communities, especially me. All the while, I thought that I'll be discussing books that will help others understand their personalities kasi books that we discuss are personal growth. But what I realized is it helped me in the long run because there are books that the members suggested na hindi ko pa nababasa na na-appreciate ko naman. And these are the books that I've continuously reading now. And that's the beauty of just starting. So, if you're like me, you're that person that always in his bubble thought, ang daming gustong magawa na hindi nagmamaterialize. If you want to paint, if you want to make music, play the guitar, build a community, go to the gym, you just start. Like me ngayon, I've been wanting to do this discussion about anything that's in my bubble thought. I just started. Like, sige, shoot that video. So, I'm not sure if I'm even making sense, but the importance is I started. So I hope you also can recognize that you can also start because ito pala narinig ko. Procrastination is failure in an installment plan. Parang ganun pala yung procrastination. But in short, walang action, walang mangyayari. Maraming salamat for listening to Paminaw Te.